Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really refreshing and unique to share with you. We recently stumbled upon a street drink called Pyar Mohabbat Ka Sharbet in one of the bustling streets of India. In this video, we are going to introduce you to this delicious drink, talk about its ingredients, and give it a try ourselves. So let's jump right in. Before we indulge in this drink, let me give you a little background. Pyar Mohabbat Ka Sharbet is a popular street drink, especially during the summer season. It's known for its refreshing and creamy texture, making it a perfect thirst quencher on hot and sunny days. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, watermelon milk Pyar Mohabbat Ka Sharbet. As the name suggests, this drink combines the sweetness of watermelon with the rich creaminess of milk. It is then topped off with a variety of other ingredients such as rose syrup, basil seeds, tutti frutti, and a sprinkle. The rose syrup adds a floral and refreshing touch, while the basil seeds provide a fun texture. The tutti frutti and nuts on top give it a nice crunch, making it a truly satisfying and indulgent drink. Apart from being a delicious treat, watermelon milk drink also offers some health benefits. Watermelon is an excellent source of hydration, as it has high water content. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a great choice for a refreshing drink. Wow! The sweetness of the watermelon mixed with the creaminess of the milk is absolutely delightful. If you're visiting India, you can easily find this street drink in bustling markets, food stalls, and even some restaurants that specialize in street-style food. It's a popular and widely available drink, especially during the summer season. Okay, it's finally time to give this drink a try. That's all for today's video on the watermelon milk Pyar Mohabbat Ka Sharbet. We hope you enjoyed learning about this unique and refreshing street drink. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience trying it, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting food and travel content. Until next time, happy sipping.